Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Gabriel. I am also known as artistry_by_Gabriel. Sorry about the name. It is what it is. Instagram wouldn't let me just do it straight through. Anyways, let's get back to it. 2021, okay? I did this way back. I did an educational video on, tutorial on how to clean blades, clipper blades. I thought I'd update it now because of all the situations that are happening. I am very clean freak, okay? So I always have to have something new, something ready to boom, right? So I've upgraded all my stuff, but I still kept some of my good stuff. So I'm gonna repost about this. Let's start with Cool Care. This is the best I've seen so far. It smells amazing, by the way, but it will lubricate and it will keep your clippers clean after using them. You know, you clean them. I already cleaned these, by the way, but I thought, hey, why not remake this? You clean all your blades, spray it down, spray the blades in between, leave it in, key number, 10 seconds, yeah. Let's do this again, why not? Smell that? Oh, I guess you can't. Clean the blades. Come on, ladies and gents. Barbers out there, tell me if I'm wrong, but I mean, I know you guys are busy all the time. I know you have extra blades, but if you don't, you know, guys got a lot of greasy heads, you know. I know in the salon we shampoo. Barber, I don't know if you have time, but just keep them all sanitized, right? Because COVID is happening right now. Back in 2020, it just ruined everything for everyone. That's why I decided to update this video. That being said, actually, let me backtrack. If you do not have Barbicide in your salon or your barbershop, I don't know what you're doing. We have to keep all our tools, all our combs, everything. Leave it in there. How long? 10 minutes. Remember, 10 minutes is that key number. Well, 10 is that key number. So let's go back to this though. Barbicide antibacterial H42. Great company. I love what they do. And the best part is it's alcohol free. This product is, don't go drinking it, but it will not rust your tools. It will lubricate as well, and it will clean, and it's it will kill the HIV one. Is that what it is? Let me double check that. Sorry, I don't have my glasses. Yes, the HIV-1, the AIDS virus. Maybe it'll kill the damn COVID virus too. Let's get out of here. Come on. So last time they told me, hey, Gabe, can you put this in a clear bottle because I can't see what you're doing? Okay, well, here I am. Let's zoom this up a little bit. Put this over here. Turn your clippers on. Only the blade part. Do not dip the whole thing in there. Just keep the blade in, and I will zoom it in. But look, ready to watch it bubble. You will see all the particles of there fall out. All your hairs that you haven't cleaned off with the brush will fall down into the H42. Leave it in 5 to 10 seconds. You can either dry it up if you need to use it again real quick or not, but I like to just let them hang out. If I don't get that many guys, so here we go. We'll leave that on. Let's try it again, because you know what? I love my trimmers, these bad boys. I never thought I would go wireless, but here I am, wireless now. I love it. Hard to go back. I still love my walls and my tools there, the greatest, but you know. So here we go, 10 seconds. And we have fun, we do what we do. Stay clean. I mean, come on, I can't get better than that. That being said, guys, all the particles will stay in here. You can just use the jar and don't worry about it. You can dispose of it once it gets like really hazy or just too much hair. Gone, bye. Barbers and stylists. Have you heard of this one? The Zuka. I love the Zuka boys. They're amazing. But I also got the Philip Wolf edition of matte black. Can't wait to get that purple and pink one. I need to buy some soon. Speaking of buying, man, I tell you what, at least minimum 6. I would probably get at least 12 or so, but hey, that's just me. So ladies and gents, I know you've been curious, like maybe you did see or maybe you didn't see. Like, what's this? This is the magic wand. Magic wand, just kidding. Anyways, once again, COVID's here. I went nuts. I was like, what should I do? Like, I don't want to touch anything. I can use this on fruits. I can clean everything with this, okay? So this you can't. The Ultra Defend. This is the big one, the Ultra Wand or Ultra Light. 2 clicks, go over this. Key number on this, 20 seconds. When you're in a rush, this is probably the best tool. And when you're driving or when you're gonna go grocery shopping, I mean, you clean everything. And if you think this is too big to be in your purse or in your pocket, hey, listen, you got the mini right here. Guys and gals, go get it. This one you hold. This one you double click. This one you hold. You got the light. It's got a safety that when you pull it up like this, shuts off because you do not want this on your skin or your eyes. That being said, always wear gloves when you're cleaning this stuff. Always, ladies and gents. So, let's get out of here. I gotta get to work. I hope you had a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed this. If you didn't, don't hit that like button, or only hit the like button. Don't hit that other thumbs down. Get out of here. Anyways, the other thing is, American Hooligans, I love this shirt. It actually makes me look a big boy. Hey, I'll tag everything here. If you like it, if you message me, please, I'll respond as much as I can. If not, definitely go to this company, their website. I'll tag them. Guys, enjoy this stuff. Please keep safe out there. Let's stay COVID free.